Hey everybody, today we're going to do a review on this air seat cushion for motorcycles, so come on with me, let's jump into this review. I'll start out by just taking a closer look at this air seat cushion. One of the unique features about this particular brand is you can see right there, here's your press to inflate. So it's got a built-in pump. Then over here is your press to deflate. So if we were to press this, you just start pressing it. You can see that it's beginning to pump up. And in real time, that's how long it took. Now, the manual says that for optimal use, pump it up to 70% of capacity. That seems pretty close right there. All of these air pockets are interchangeable so that it maintains, the same amount of cush to it throughout. Let's take it over to a motorcycle and install it. I'll show you how it goes on. Here we've got the seat cushion on a motorcycle. Let's go ahead and install it. It comes with two straps. The straps go right in here. It just clips right in there. And we take the other one, and that clips right in there. Come around to the other side and just repeat the process. Let's check out the fitment. You can see that it fits very well. That's your motorcycle air seat cushion.